Pika pika, nursery rhymes and kid song. Growl. Pika pika, nursery rhymes and kid song. Hello dear friends, gather here. I'm Helen Keller, let's share some cheer. Born on a day in Alabama's light, curious and eager, my future was bright. But oh dear, at just 19 months old, a sickness came, my story unfolds. I lost my sight, I lost my sound. In a dark, silent world, I was suddenly bound. But love from my family helped me find light. I learned to communicate, reaching new heights. With signs and vibrations, I explored my way. Every little discovery brightened my day. Then came Miss Sullivan, my guiding star. She taught me with kindness near and far. What TTER she spelled in my hand, and just like magic, I started to understand. I learned to read, I learned to speak. With every new lesson, my heart grew strong and meek. At school I flourished, surrounded by friends. With hard work and dreams, my journey transcends. I graduated from college, what a sight to behold. The first of my kind, my spirit bold. I traveled the world, my story to share, that anyone can shine with love and care. I met great leaders and fought for our rights. For every brave person who faces tough fights, with courage and hope, I paved the way for kindness and strength in the world every day. Though I've gone now, my spirit will soar. In each brave heart, my message is more. No matter the challenge, believe in your quest. With courage and kindness, you'll surely be blessed. So remember my story, let your heart sing. Like Helen Keller, you too can do anything. With love and determination, never give in. Your journey of hope can truly begin.